All right, I'm going to do a really quick intro to Instagram guides. By now, you should have read our blog post explaining what they are, why you should be using them, and giving you some great examples that we've seen across different industries, different brands and businesses. But I just want to show you real quick where to find guides, where to start a guide, and some of the different options. So let's close out of here really quick. So here on your profile, you're going to go up to the plus sign in the upper right hand corner, and it gives you the options to do a post, a story, a highlight, IGTV video, a reel, or a guide. So of course we are going to guide. The three choices that you have, there's three types of guides: places, products, and posts. So places are where you can pick a city and you can go through and choose different, you can search, you can look at places that you've saved. You can also look through your posts, but as you can see, especially with COVID, haven't been traveling many places, so I'm posting here. So you have three different options to pull location posts from, and a lot of them can be there someplace that you've been if you've tagged Instagram, if that makes sense. All right, and then next, we'll go back here to products, and now it's going to pull up all of these here are products or brands that I follow, and so when you open it up, you'll be able to see that as well. You can also create a wish list if you would like. Obviously, I don't have anything in my wish list right now, but if you want to slowly build something and put them there so they're easy to grab when you go to build your guide, you can do that. Back over here in search, if there's something that you want to find, you can put it up here in the top. Let's say, so like Shar gluten-free products, and then it's going to pull up every product that they have listed. So say I wanted to do like my top 5 favorite Shar gluten-free products. They're all listed here so I can grab them. It's really pretty cool and convenient. Now we are going to go back again to our last one, which is posts. So this one is all the posts that I've saved myself, and these are all my actual posts. So again, you can pull from your own feed or pull something if you're saving things. And I want to just make sure that people know where to save. Save is right here. It's this little ribbon. You can just save into a general folder, or you can create almost like Pinterest boards where you put different products and pieces. So those are the three different types. How to see if somebody has a guide. So when you go to their profile, everyone has this here, which is the posts, and then they have this here, which is where if somebody has tagged you in a post. This is Reels, this is IGTV, and then this is guides. So you'll only see the icons for the things that you've actually created. So for me, I do have some IGT. I think I have 2 IGTV videos. I have some Reels, so you'll see those. And then for guides, I actually only have one in draft, which is something I really like, that you can save drafts. But if once I publish it, then other people will be able to see this icon. So this will be the fastest way for you to find other people's things. And I'll just click over here and you can see the one that I've started. You can pick a kind of cover photo and then and do a summary of it. And then this is what it looks like where I started listing products, and then people can click over to them. They can save them, they can shop. So I hope that that was helpful for you, and we look forward to seeing the guides that you create.